Flexible adjustment, safety assurance. Anna-Zhyao automatic conveyor system empowers smart manufacturing. The Anna-Zhyao automatic conveyor system combines high flexibility and reliability, making it suitable for various production environments. The system consists of a drive unit, tensioning mechanism, track, conveyor chain, and fixtures, allowing for quick adjustments of the transport route and height according to production requirements, providing efficient transportation solutions. The specially designed thermal expansion joints effectively handle high-temperature environments, ensuring system stability. Additionally, the drip lubrication feature in the lubrication device provides regular maintenance for key components, reducing maintenance frequency and lowering operational costs. With the automated control system, the conveyor speed can be steplessly adjusted and is equipped with a fault alarm function to ensure safe production. For more details about the Anna-Zhyao automatic conveyor system, feel free to contact us. We will provide you with a customized solution.